It happened to me. My girlfriend from New York, she came over. It started raining, so she had to spend the night. We went to the linen closet to get her some sheets. I opened up the linen closet door. She was like, "Oh my God." I was like, "What? She was like, "Are those your sheets?" "Yeah." I said. She said, "Are those your fitted sheets?" I was like, "Yeah." She was like, "I'm not sleeping on those. They're a mess." Oh my goodness, when I looked at the fitted sheets, she was right. Look, they look a mess. They don't even really look like fitted sheets at all. But you know, my girlfriend from New York, she set me straight. She showed me how to fold fitted sheets. Let me show you. Look, first you take the first corner, a seam like this, that would sit normally on the outside of the sheet where you fold it over the mattress. Take one of those, take the second one, fold it, put them together and put the first one on top of the other. Now take the elasticized part and make it nice and even with each other. Put the edges together. Now take the other corner, the other seam edge, do the same thing. Take the seam edge, put the other seam edge on top, pull out the elasticized edges, make them nice and neat, fold them nice and together. Now take the first set that you made of seam edges and put them on top of the second set. Again, pull the edges out so that they're nice and even with each other. And the same is true with the elasticized part. You want to make it nice and even. Now you want to lay it down so that the parts that would normally go on the sides of your mattress lie on top of what would be a rectangle. Pull the other side, the elastic side, in as well, so that you kind of have a rectangle. Now take the seams that you would normally, if you were using before, put your hands in there and pull the seams over just a little bit to make as much of a rectangle as you can. Now, take this part, the bottom part of your rectangle, pull it over. Take the parts that you made that would sit outside of the mattress, on the sides of the mattress, pull them in. Pull them all the way to the edge, and fold again. Here, look at the difference. Look at how nice and neat this is. Which one would you rather see when you open up your linen closet? Look, don't let what happened to me happen to you. You can do this while you're watching The Sopranos. In the words of Rosalia Aprio. Why do you think I'm talking to you like this?